In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate the surface area of complex 3D shapes. On the left-hand side, I've been given a cone, and I need to find the surface area to one decimal place. To calculate the surface area of a cone, we need to use the formula that the surface area is equal to pi r squared plus pi rl. R is the radius of the base circle. L is the length of the sloped side. And for reference, h, although it's not used in the formula, is the height of the cone. So seeing that r is equal to 3 and L is 8.5, the formula now becomes pi times 3 squared plus pi times 3 times 8.5. 3 squared is 9, so I've got 9 pi. 3 times 8.5 is 25.5 pi. And writing my surface area in terms of pi is 34.5 pi centimeters squared. Grabbing a calculator and typing in 34.5 times by pi and rounding to one decimal place is 108.4 centimeters squared. This is the surface area of the cone. For the question on the right hand side, I need to calculate the surface area of a sphere. The formula for the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question. When you're ready for the answer, press play. R is the distance from the centre of the sphere to the outside. So knowing that r is equal to 2 and substituting it into the formula gives 4 times pi times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, and 4 times 4 gives the answer 16 pi centimeters squared. This is the surface area in terms of pi. Grabbing a calculator and typing in 16 times pi, rounding the answer to one decimal place, is 50.3 centimeters squared. This is the surface area of the sphere to one decimal place.